Good day, everyone. My name is Instructor AJ. I am here to welcome you guys to my science on educational page focused on mathematics, chemistry, and physics. So today we'll be treating a question from WAEC 2018. As you can see on the board, this is an example of a circle geometry question. From this question, you can see a circle infused with a triangle extended outward. First, we are told to find the value of t from the diagram. So how do we do that? If you want to solve a circle geometric question, what you have to look at the angles that are given. Because any unknown that you have in the question in the diagram, you are able to solve it by looking at what value do we have. You look at the values that we have. That what will help us to solve the ones that we are meant to. This is y, and you can name this particular point where this one stopped as z. Now, looking at this triangle, when you want to name a triangle, because for you in a triangle, for you to be able to have an angle, you have 3 points that will form the angle. Now, so when two lines come like this, another one is coming like this, they meet at a point. You call this point the vertex. So you name this with a particular alphabet, this with a particular alphabet, and this with a particular alphabet. So in this instance, if you want to name this angle, since this is coming from here and this is coming from here, you start with one of these, which we start with the one that you come for in alphabetical order, which is W. So in this instance, this name of this angle will be W, and the angle that is carrying the value of the angle will be the one at the middle, which is WXY for this particular place. For this one to be XWY for this particular place, and for this place it will be XYW or WXY. So, but now from this place we have given the value of this place. So the value of this place, since this is the one carrying the angle, it is from this place to this place. So this will be angle XYZ, which is 117 degrees. So since we have this place, you can use this place to get this place, because this is angle XYW. So we can use to get this place because angle XYZ plus angle W will give us 180 degrees. Why is it like that? Because angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if this place is 117 degrees, if you subtract this from 180, we should be able to get this place. So that means 117 degrees plus angle XYW is equal to 180 degrees. So we collect like times. So angle XYW is equals to 180 degrees minus 117 degrees. So angle XYW will cause 63 degrees. So we can get this place to be 63 degrees. But don't forget, we're only able to get this particular angle, but this is not what we're asked to find. We're asked to find this angle. And part of your theorem, we have several theorems in circle geometry. There's a theorem that says angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. This is only applicable if the two angles are coming from a particular chord. Look at this. This is a chord. This chord form the angle here and also form the angle here. So the angle at the center that is from the same chord is equal to twice of the same angle at the circumference, which is from the same chord. So